Hello, my name is Roland Enz, and yes, I am Enzo. My seasoning company, Enzo Seasonings, is dedicated to making simple, delicious meals for your family and friends. Our products are handcrafted and blended from the finest seasonings and spices available. I hope that you enjoy our products. I have recipes on our website, and I have put together various videos of interest that I post on social media. Thank you for watching. Today we're going to do a simple recipe. It's highly sought after in France. It's beef bourguignon, and it's going to take us about 3 hours. The setup is not very long. The only time it takes is really the cooking time that you're going to have in the oven. So you can do a lot of prep work on your for your guests during that period of time that you're cooking. It's very simple, and our recipe is online, and you can look it up and you can download it, and it's going to be a fabulous meal for your family and friends. So let's start our journey. Let's start the cooking process with browning our meat. It'll take a few minutes. And this is what's going to give your dish flavor. I've removed our meat from the pot, and I've added the onions. Let the onions get translucent, and then we'll put everything in the pot and let it cook for about 3.5 hours. And with that, I've got the oven set at 350 degrees, and I'm going to put everything in, and then when it's time to come out, we'll turn the camera back on and see what we've produced. I'm back, and it's been 3.5 hours since we put our beef into the oven. Let's see what we have. I'm burning myself. Looks perfect. The meat is fork tender, and as you noticed, that I've kind of deviated a little bit from my recipe, where I didn't put potatoes in with my beef. I've decided that I'm going to put the beef bourguignon over a bed of noodles, so I'm doing those separately. So with that, give me a few minutes. We're going to plate it, and we're going to take a picture.
Yeah, we could eat something. That's fine. Eat lunch before you go. Sure, okay, so, sure, yeah, and then, well, just, I'll go to your house. Okay. And then we can just go from there. Yeah.
Well, we're all ready to eat, so thank you for watching my videos. And again, this is Roland Enzo Seasonings, and with that, cheers. California wine, it's the best.